very excited to announce that we have the arrival of the new Black Bay Bronze that was launched in Baselworld 2019. My name's Paul, I'm the sales professional for Burrells the Jewellers in Winchester. In 2016 at Baselworld, Tudor introduced us to their very first bronze watch, which at the time bronze watches had been around, but they weren't particularly in the sort of larger mass market. Now we have bronze watches from various manufacturers. What's so unique and great about a bronze watch is that metal is a living metal, and as the wearer wears and enjoys that watch, the patina of the case will change, and that watch becomes uniquely yours depending on your acidity in your skin and etc. and the oxygen and things. So it really becomes a very unique watch to you. This watch just gets better the more you wear it. That's not normally the case. Watches will look a bit tired the more you wear them, but this watch just gets better and better the more you put it on your wrist. So following the success of 2016, we jump forward to Baselworld 2019. So the bronze is still very much in the collection, but it's had a bit of a facelift. Okay, so we still have the 43mm case, unidirectional rotatable bezel with 60-minute graduating disc, screw down winding crown, sapphire crystal glass of course, waterproof to 200 meters. The movement is the manufacturer caliber MT5601, which is chronometer certificated. We've got the function of the center hour, minutes and seconds, and we've still got the excellent 70-hour power reserve. All the typical Black Bay characteristics you would expect to have. We've now got this slate grey coloured dial and bezel, choice of a black leather strap with nice white stitching detail, or this sort of slate grey and golden NATO strap option. I think what they've done here is made the Black Bay Bronze even more commercial. Unless you loved brown colour, you wouldn't really go for this watch, but now in this more muted colour, I think they've got a very, very commercial watch on their hands, and I can see it looking great on so many wrists. Whilst I'm a big fan of the original 2016 Black Bay Bronze, this new one really is a watch I could see being worn a lot more of the time. So I think the brown one would lend itself to certain outfits and certain occasions, whereas I think this one with a very new, beautiful sort of vintage black leather strap. Of course, we know that black straps will go with most things, and you can dress this up or down. And I think, what we've got here now is a watch that's much more wearable for a lot more of the time. If ever there was a time to treat yourself to a Black Bay Bronze, then now's the time to do it. Whether you take the opportunity and getting one of the last few original 2016 models, that's now been retired, so there's only a few of those left, and I think we know history's proven that over time these things become quite collectible and desirable in the future. The new version is stunning, so come and try it on. If you'd like to do that, come and visit us in Winchester, or our store in Tunbridge Wells, or Staines, or of course for more details you can visit our website.